everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we are back with another Advent calendar unboxing. First of all, Merry Christmas and welcome to the final Advent unboxing of 2023. This is of course the Space NK 2023 Advent calendar. Before we start, can I please ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, because that way you'll be notified of all the upcoming beauty and fashion unboxings. The Space NK 2023 Advent Calendar is of course another multi-brand Advent Calendar. Now this one also took one of the top spots last year, so I wanted to get it again this year to unbox it. Now this one is valued at over 2,000 Australian dollars and it retails for 415 Australian dollars. There are a total of 25 days and 33 items, of which 19 are full-sized and 14 are deluxe size. The Space NK Advent Calendar is one of the first ones to sell out this year, and honestly, I'm not surprised. It's one of the highest valued ones, and it takes the top spot almost every year. So regardless of it being sold out, I did still want to unbox it and compare it to last year as well as to the Selfridges Advent. Let's start with the first day. On the first day, we have the full-size Dr. Barbara Sturm cleanser. Now this one is 150 mils and retails for 94 AUD. This is a gentle yet deep cleansing foam cleanser that removes makeup, dead skin cells, pollutants and other impurities. We have always heard about their amazing serums and now we get to try their cleansers too. On day 2 we have two products. We have the Mini Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and the Mini Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. The Bond Maintenance range is a highly concentrated reparative shampoo and conditioner that hydrates and nourishes the hair. So the shampoo and the conditioner retail for 23 AUD each, and I love that they included both the shampoo and conditioner in the one day. Day 3 is the Charlotte Tilbury Bigger Brighter Eyes Filter Eyeshadow Palette. Now this one actually has 4 colors and it retails for 88 AUD. It features a gorgeous rosy color theme palette. I love that Space NK included this because honestly we didn't even get this in the Charlotte Tilbury Advent. Moving on to day 4, and we have the Mini Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream. Now this one is 30 mils, but the full size retails for 99 AUD. This cream is formulated with 6 African oils, ceramides, and fermented green tea. This is an incredibly nourishing cream that's perfect for dull and dry skin. Next up we have day 5, which is the Mini Sunday Riley CEO 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. Now this one is 15 mils, but the full size retails for 196 AUD. Honestly, this is one of my favorite brands and vitamin C serums. I totally swear by all Sunday Riley serums, and this one is one I would definitely recommend. On day 6, we have the full-size Hourglass Confession Ultra Slim High Intensity Refillable Lipstick, and this is in the shade At Night. This is 26 grams and retails for 63 AUD. The color is a beautiful deep red with a satin finish. This design is so sleek, oh my gosh, it almost looks like an eyeliner at first. I also love that it's refillable. Day 7 is the full-size Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Meltaway Cleansing Balm. Now this one is 50 mils and retails for 43 AUD. It is enriched with sunflower and ginger root oils, turmeric and moringa, as well as papaya extracts. This cleansing balm acts as a makeup remover as well as a cleanser. It also gently exfoliates your skin, and I love that it's cruelty free. Moving on to day 8, and we have the Mini Niod Multi-Molecular Hyaluronic Complex. Now this one is 15 mils but retails for 55 AUD. This combines 15 forms of hyaluronic compounds. This is an absolutely hydrating serum and it's perfect for people with dry skin. Next up we have day 9, and there's 2 products. We have the full-size Rose Ink Ultra Black Lash Lift Serum Mascara, and we have the full-size Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Eyeliner Liquid Matte. Now the Serum mascara here, it's 10.7 mils and it retails for 39 AUD. This is formulated with peptides to strengthen and lengthen lashes, and it contains nourishing argan oil and goji berry oil extracts. I actually really like that this is a serum and mascara in one. Now the liquid liner here is 0.9 mils and it retails for 37 AUD. This is an extremely pigmented liquid liner. I always love rare beauty products, and oh my gosh, this is such a sleek eyeliner. On day 10 we have the full-size Naturium Niacinamide Serum 12% plus zinc 2%. Now this one is 30 mils and it retails for 32 AUD. This serum is designed to even out skin tone and minimize the appearance of fine lines and enlarged pores. This one is also vegan and cruelty free, and I love that it helps with the minimization of pores. Day 11 is the full-size Tula Skincare Gold Glow Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Now this one is 10 grams and retails for 61 AUD. It's enriched with probiotic extracts, hyaluronic acid, caffeine, aloe water, apple, watermelon, and blueberry. This hyaluronic acid eye balm delivers a dewy glow and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Moving on to day 12, and we have two products. We have the Mini Bread Hair Oil and the Mini Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. Now the hair oil here, it's 30 mils and retails for 23 AUD. This is a silicone-free oil blend enriched with Kakadu Plum. I love that this one is non-greasy and leaves your hair smooth and glossy. Now the spray here, it's 50 mils and retails for $23.50 AUD. This is a humidity-proof spray and is meant to be applied onto damp hair. This one is great for anti-frizz, and it actually gets activated once you blow dry your hair. On the halfway mark, and we have the full-size Necessaire The Body Serum. Now this one is 150 mils and retails for 81 AUD. This body serum is formulated with hyaluronic acid and is fragrance-free. This is a super hydrating body serum. It actually helps with dryness but also helps with eczema. Day 14 is the full-size Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. Now this one is 64 grams and retails for 79 AUD. This mask is enriched with niacinamide, glycerin, and hyaluronic acid. I love that this one can be used as a moisturizer or a face mask. How versatile. Moving on to day 15, and we have 3 items. We have the full-size Kosas Wet Lip Oil. We have the full-size Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in chocolate. And we have the full-size 1999 Precision Color Pencil. Now this lip oil here is actually 4.6 mils and retails for 35 AUD. This is a hybrid lip treatment that has a very sheer finish. The next item is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, which is in the flavor chocolate. This one is 20 grams and retails for 31 AUD. This one is actually one of my favorite items from Laneige, and the chocolate flavor smells divine. The last item is the 1999 Precision Color Pencil, and this one actually retails for 42 AUD. This is in the gorgeous color Nutra, a lovely pink. This is a versatile eye, lip, and cheek pencil. On day 16, we have another 3 products. We have the Mini Biossance Squalane Vitamin C Rose Moisturizer, the full-size Eve Lom Rescue Mask, and a set of 3 of the 111 Skin Rose Gold Illuminating Eye Mask. Now the Biossance moisturizer here is 15 mils, but the full size retails for 93 AUD. The moisturizer brightens, firms, and hydrates the skin. The second item is the Eve Lom Rescue Mask, and this one is 50 mils and retails for 71 AUD. I've tried this one before, and it's an award-winning mask that clears up congested skin. So the last item is a pack of 3 of the 111 Skin Eye Mask. Now, normally it comes in a pack of 8, which retails for 178 AUD. This is an incredible eye mask packed with amino acids, peptides, and proteins. Next up is day 17, which is the full-size Paula's Choice 10% azelaic acid booster. Now this one is 30 ml and retails for 39 AUD. This booster can be used alone or added to your serum or moisturizer. I love that this one clarifies uneven skin tone and it also soothes irritated skin. Moving on to day 18, and we have the Mini Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Set Refresh Spray. Now this one is actually 50 ml but retails for 36 AUD. This dual phase setting spray will keep makeup in place for up to 12 hours. So I've never tried this one, but you're supposed to shake it before you use it. And also it contains hyaluronic acid, which locks in the moisture. Day 19 is the Full Size Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Now this is 40 ml and retails for 79 AUD. This facial mist can be used to set makeup or to refresh and hydrate your skin. I've honestly been meaning to try more Tatcha products and I haven't had the chance to try this one yet. It looks so luxe, so I'm glad to see this in here. On day 20 we have the Full Size JVN Complete Instant Recovery Serum. Now this is 100 ml and retails for 44 AUD. This hair serum protects your hair from heat damage and reduces split ends. I really like that this is a no rinse formula and I actually do have a lot of split ends, so I'll be trying this out for sure. Moving on to day 21, and we have two products. We have the Mini Malin Goats Vitamin B5 Body Moisturizer, and we also have the Mini Herborian Bare Skin Perfector. Now the moisturizer here is 30 ml, but the full size retails for 61 AUD. This body lotion is loaded with antioxidants, provitamin B5, and absorbent botanical fatty acids. I love that this one is oil-free and it's perfect for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Now the second item we have here is the Skin Perfector. It's 15 ml but retails for 43 AUD. This is actually a K-beauty product that smooths, blurs, and enhances the appearance of bare skin. This sounds so promising, and apparently over time your skin becomes more and more radiant. Day 22 is the full size Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. Now this is 120 ml and retails for 67 AUD. This cleanser is suitable for sensitive skin as it is a gentle, creamy formula enriched with goat milk proteins. So I've mainly tried the Exfoliate product, which I really loved. So I'm really excited to try this, which is another product from their brand. On the 23rd day, we have the full size Medicate Crystal Retinol 6. This one is 30 ml and retails for 121 AUD. This is their night serum and delivers results up to 11 times faster than retinol. So I have used this one before and I really love it. It's one of their best-selling products and I will be using this again after pregnancy. Second last day, and we have the Mini Augustinus Beta The Rich Cream. Now this one is 15 ml and retails for 139 AUD. This is of course their best selling cream. I honestly think that we get this in almost like every second advent, so it's not a surprise that we see it here too. On the last day we have the Mini Boy Smells Hinoki Phantom Scented Candle. Now this one is actually 85 grams, but the full size retails for 61 AUD. This has sacred Japanese cypress, jasmine petals, and amber notes. It's definitely got a very strong earthy scent. It's not my usual go-to, but if you like earthy, woody scents, this one might be for you. So what did we think of this Space NK advent calendar this year? Let me know in the comments below. I personally think they did a great job, and this was such a strong one to end the year with. Now, this was one of the first ones to sell out, and I can honestly see why. It's got great value, great variety, and I think all the products were really well thought out. I wasn't really disappointed in anything, so I think they did a great job. As I mentioned earlier, this was one of the first ones to sell out this year, so unfortunately you cannot get this box anymore, but I still wanted to unbox it as the last one to close out the Advent unboxings this year. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I will see you in the next video. Bye!